Hi, and welcome to our self-improvement journey. Today, we're exploring 5 powerful habits that have the potential to completely transform your life. These habits are simple, practical, and backed by science. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, improve mental well-being, or just feel happier, these habits are a great place to start. Let's dive in. So tip number 1 is related to morning routine. Starting your day with intention can set a positive tone for everything that follows. Morning routines are a common thread among highly successful people. The great news? You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. to benefit. Habit number 1 is simple. Spend the first 10 minutes of your day focusing on yourself. This can mean stretching, meditating, deep breathing, or just enjoying a quiet cup of coffee or tea. Use this time to avoid distractions, especially your phone. By dedicating the first few minutes of your day to calm and clarity, you create a foundation of focus and positivity that will impact everything you do that day. Next up is gratitude. It is the quality of being thankful, which means readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. It might sound simple, but it has powerful effects. Research shows that practicing gratitude increases happiness and reduces stress. It helps us appreciate what we have instead of constantly focusing on what we lack. Habit number 2 is this. Take a few minutes each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. This could be anything, from something as big as a major life event to something as simple as enjoying a sunny day. When we focus on what's good, we attract more positive experiences and begin to see the world through a more positive lens. Make this a daily practice and see how it changes your perspective. Goals give us direction. Instead of just dreaming, turning our goals into small, actionable steps helps us stay motivated and on track. Habit number 3 is setting intentional goals. Start by picking one goal you want to achieve. Break it down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you want to read more books, don't set a vague goal of reading more. Instead, decide to read just 10 pages a day. This small daily action will build up over time. The key is to create momentum with these small wins. As you achieve your mini goals, you'll feel encouraged to keep going. Our minds and bodies are deeply connected. Physical movement doesn't just improve our physical health. It also has a huge impact on mental well-being. Even light exercise can improve your mood, boost your energy, and increase focus. Habit number 4 is to make daily movement a priority. This doesn't mean you need to hit the gym every day. Just find a way to move your body, even if it's only for 10 to 15 minutes. This could be a walk in the park, a short stretching routine, or even dancing to your favorite song. Regular movement doesn't just benefit your body, it can elevate your whole day. In a world full of distractions, practicing mindfulness is more important than ever. Mindfulness helps bring us back to the present, reduces anxiety, and enhances our sense of clarity. Habit number 5 is practicing a few minutes of mindfulness each day. This could mean sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, or doing a short guided meditation. You don't need any special tools or training. Just take a few moments to disconnect from the noise of the world and tune into yourself. By consistently practicing mindfulness, you'll notice that you're able to respond more thoughtfully to situations instead of reacting out of stress or frustration. So, there you have it, the 5 habits that can transform your life. Remember, you don't have to start all of these at once. Choose one habit to begin with and build from there. Small changes add up over time, leading to big transformations. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more self-improvement tips. Start your journey today, and let's create a better tomorrow together. Thanks for listening, and here's to your transformation journey.